Good morning to dear student. Last time I have explained the definition of triangle and congruent triangles, the criteria for congruent triangles, and question 1 of exercise 7.1 I have explained. I will explain you odd number examples of exercise, and I will give you the even number example in homework. So I will explain you 1, 3, 5, 7 and the remaining 2, 4, 7 or 2, 4, 6, 8 are homework. Now I have explained example number 1, question number 1 I have explained. Now today I will explain you question number 3 of exercise 7.1. Here we have AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. Here AB is the line segment and AD and BC are equal perpendicular to a line segment AB. It means here we have AD and BC are equal, both are same, and both are perpendicular to AB. BC and AD are perpendicular to line segment AB. It means here this angle A and angle B both are right angle because AD and BC are perpendicular to line segment AB. We have to show that is we have to prove that CD line segment CD, it bisects AB. Means this CD bisects AB means CD divides AB in a two equal part. Bisect means bi means two. So CD divide AB in a two equal parts. We have to prove. So, and to prove CD divides AB into equal part means we have to prove that OB equal to OA or BO equal to AO. Same. OB equal to OA or BO equal to AO. If both are same, then we can say that CD bisects AB. It means here we have to prove BO equal to AO. We have to prove that both these triangles are congruent. We have to prove that both the triangles are congruent. So first of all we will write data to prove and then we will write proof. So first we write the data that is given. What is data here? AD and BC are perpendicular to a line segment AB, and also we have given data AD and BC are equal perpendicular. AD equal to AB, it is also given, that is data. We have to prove that CD bisects AB. CD bisects AB, that is CD bisects AB means CD divides AB into equal parts, that is OA equal to OB. Therefore OA equal to OB we have to prove. Now proof. Now to prove OA equal to OB, we have to prove that both the triangles are congruent. So we consider the triangle BOC and AOD. In triangle BOC and triangle AOD, AOD. Now first of all we have this AD and BC are perpendicular. Here angle A and angle B both are right angle, means both are 90 degree and they are same. So here in triangle BOC and AOD, angle B equal to, angle B is also 90 degree, angle A is also 90, so angle B equal to angle A. Why both are same? Because both are 90 degree. Now we have this line CD and BA intersect each other at O. So here we have formed two angles, and we know that these two angles are vertically opposite angle. Here these are vertically opposite angle, and there is a important theorem you have learnt in a chapter 6. Vertically opposite angles are always same. Vertically opposite angles are always same. So angle BOC equal to angle AOD. Therefore angle BOC equal to angle AOD. Both are same because what is our reason? Both are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. And now we have also given AD and BC are same. AD and BC are equal. AD equal to AB. It is also given. Therefore AD equal to AB. It is given. So now here we have three correspondences of both the triangle are same, and we know the criteria for to prove the congruent triangles. If any three correspondences means and three corresponding, that is angle side, side angle side, side, RHS, SSS, out of these 5 criteria, if one criteria is satisfied, then we can say that both the triangle are congruent. Now which criteria here? By which criteria we have used? Angle, side. See that? Angle, side. So angle, side. By angle, side criteria, both the triangle are congruent. Therefore triangle BOC congruent to triangle AOD because by angle, side. Angle, side criteria. Now we know that two triangles are congruent, then remaining corresponding sides and corresponding angles are always same, and therefore BO corresponds to AO and BO equal to AO.